Okay, so after I submitted my first assignment, it showed that I do not have a perfect score. And again, 98.39% is pretty good. I'm only zero point 0.5 points away from a perfect score. So if you wanted to submit it like this and you're okay with that, that's totally fine. Or if you're like, no, I want to do my best. I have multiple times to turn this in. I want to really see what I did wrong. So it'll give you this report at the end, give you the score, and tell you what you have correct, partially correct, or totally incorrect. And you can choose the little carrots or arrows here to find out exactly what's going on. So this section where I had to change the paragraph spacing, alignment, font styles, effects, and color of the title was worth 6 points, and I got 5.5 out of 6. And I can see each of these steps. This is not my document I turned in. It's just an example document, and it tells you that. So out of the 6 steps, one of mine was not completely correct. And 6C was the part. So 6C said to change the before spacing to 36 points and the after spacing to 18. And it tells me that my paragraph starts with the text online learning information, has after spacing that is set to 12 point instead of 18. So that's what I messed up. So if I want to fix that, I would open my Word document back up, the one that I submitted. I don't have to pull it back down or start over or anything like that. I can just open up Word and open that document up again, and I can find the section that I was supposed to fix. So sometimes I can just go off this instruction and figure it out. Sometimes I need to go back up and go back into the instructions and be like, what was I doing again? So this says I'm supposed to change the before to 16 to 36 and the after to 18, and mine is set at 12. So it's the paragraph that starts with the text online learning information. So let me go out here online. So that's the title, right? So it's just this title. And I want to go into the paragraph drop down here. And here, sure enough, it's supposed to be 36 and 18, and mine is 36 and 12. So maybe you caught that when I was doing this in the first place and you already fixed it. But if you were doing this along with me, if you want to change that to 18, that should do it. We will find out after you make any changes. Just choose save again, make sure it's saved and close it out. And then I want to go back here and I want to resubmit it. So I'm going to go back into this assignment right here, and I'm just going to upload my file again. It's thinking here before it lets me do it. So I'm going to upload that same document. I saved mine on the C drive CIS 125 folder. I'm going to select the exact same document. I'm going to upload it one more time, and hopefully it's correct. So I'm going to say yes, submit the file. Some of these things you can kind of visually see, and if you compare your document to the solution, some things are harder to see. So I submitted it. Let's see, this time I got 100%. So it's telling me everything's correct. Again, it's up to you. If you've done it multiple times and you're like, I give up, I don't want to do it anymore, you don't have to keep going until you get 100%, but you totally can. So if you have the time and you're able to do that, go for it. Try to get as many 100% as you can. So that is that. Just wanted to show you that I made an error and I went in and fixed it and I resubmitted it and got 100%. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.